In a win for free speech, a Brazilian court has dismissed criminal charges against veterinary student Isadora Borges, who was facing up to 10 years in prison for posts she made online back in 2020. Yes, you heard that right. Isadora could have spent a decade in prison for peacefully expressing her views online. In 2020, she made 2 posts on X in which she shared her views on gender ideology. One post said that transgender women were obviously born male, and another stated a person who identifies as transgender retains their birth DNA. No surgery, synthetic hormone, or clothing will change this fact. These posts drew the attention of a politician who identifies as transgender and who reported Isadora for transphobia. Brazil's Supreme Court made this a crime in 2019 without any law being passed, and the charges carry serious jail time, 2 to 5 years per count. Thankfully, last week a court ruled unanimously in Isadora's favor. It found that her posts contained no attacks, no threats, and no incitement to violence. In other words, no basis for a criminal charge. ADF International provided legal support to Isadora, defending her right to freedom of expression, and the outcome is a significant victory. But this case should never have taken place in the first place. As Isadora said, the truth matters. Stating biological facts in a post should never result in prison time. All Brazilians deserve to speak freely and stand for what they believe in, even if their views differ from those in power. This is the first time a federal court in Brazil has addressed the so-called crime of transphobia, and the ruling sets a clear precedent. But it's important to see the bigger picture. Since 2019, Brazil has seen a growing trend of censorship. Citizens are being investigated, prosecuted, and silenced for stating their views. All who dare to share their beliefs in Brazil risk this happening to them. So while today we celebrate this victory, the fact that Isadora was prosecuted in the first place is a stark reminder that the fight to protect freedom of expression is far from over.